Oh shit, what is wrong with me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing this makeup look for you guys. It's just a soft glam. It's a little bit bronzy. It's something cute, and this is just a plain simple makeup look. It's just a soft glam. It's got this kind of bronzy shadow and just a nude lip, and I just did this scarf with it because I think it's quite cute. And if you want to see Stop contour concealer in the shade Vanilla. I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner, and that just like almost went in my eye. There, and then right here, and then also on my chin, my forehead, and a little bit on my tip of my nose, and then just on the other side. And I don't like to apply too much concealer because it tends to move a lot. So I'm just going to blend that out with my concealer brush, and it's literally just a slanted brush that I use for my concealer. And I'm going to start with my chin. I'm just going to blend that all out. So I like to do all my cream products first. So I've done my foundation and then my concealer, and then I like to go in with my cream contour. So I'm going to go in with my cream contour stick, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks with a flat brush as well. And I literally just like to dab it onto the product so then it's less harsh on my face, because I tend to apply too much of the contour. I'm just going to apply that onto my cheek here. And when I apply it, I like to blend it out straight away. So after I've applied it, I just like to literally dab it into my face as well. And then I like to do the same thing with my forehead and then my nose. So I'm just gonna dab it on there as well. So after I've done all my creams, I like to go in now with my powders. So I like to put powder under my eyes and I just like to bake. I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York loose powder. So I'm just getting a sponge and I'm just going to be applying that under my eye. And I like to use these sponges because I have a curve at the top, so it goes like right under my eye perfectly. And I'm just going to apply the powder where I added the concealer. So just under my eyes, on the tip of my nose, my chin, and then on my forehead. And I'm just going to do it under my contour. So while the powder is baking my face, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. And this is going to be in the shade Brunette. So I'm just going to first brush out my eyebrows. I don't really do my eyebrows that much because I feel like I tend to do them too dark sometimes. So I'm just going to fill it in just a little bit. And once I've just filled them in a little bit, I like to go in with my eyebrow gel. So I just like to use the Morphe Brow Setting Gel. I'm just going to apply that lightly. And this gel is like really strong. Like I feel like my eyebrows don't move at all. And I'm just removing the excess because a lot tends to apply onto my eyebrows. And I'm just going to apply that lightly. So I'm just going to brush the powder off my face now. So next I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm going to use the Morphe palette and this one is the 3502 Second Nature. So I'm just going to start by using a really light transition shade. So I'm just going to be using the shade right here with a small fluffy brush. I'm just going to be applying that to my outer corner. And I'm just going to be bringing that all the way to my